One sunny morning, Janelle tiptoed into Grandma's garden, her eyes searching for a new adventure. Birds sang above, and butterflies danced in the air. Beside a patch of marigolds, Janelle spotted a tiny brown seed resting on top of the soft, crumbly soil. She crouched down and whispered, "Hello, little seed. Do you want to grow into a plant?" To her amazement, the seed wiggled, or perhaps it was just the breeze, but Janelle liked to imagine the seed was saying yes. "I'll help you grow," she promised, determination shining in her eyes. She fetched her bright red shovel from the shed and dug a small hole, a cozy bed for her seed. Janelle carefully tucked the seed inside, soft soil falling like a gentle blanket. Next came water. Janelle poured just enough to make the soil damp. The seed looked so happy, she thought she heard a tiny, joyful sigh. "Don't worry, little seed," Janelle said softly. "The sun will take care of you too." She waved up at the big, warm sun. Up above, the sun peeked through a fluffy cloud and beamed down. "Hello, Janelle. I'll send my warm rays to help your seed grow strong," whispered the sun, its golden arms reaching down to wrap the earth below in warmth. Every morning, Janelle hurried outside to see if her seed had changed. For several days, nothing happened. Still, she watered the soil, talked to her seed, and waited. Until one magical morning, Janelle spotted two tiny green leaves poking cheerily out of the soil. "Wow," she exclaimed. "You're a sprout now." The little sprout wiggled its leaves in the sunlight. Janelle imagined she could hear it say, "Thank you for the water and sunlight, Janelle." She remembered what Grandma always said, plants need sunlight, water, soil, and love to grow strong. Janelle decided to add plenty of love too, singing gentle songs as she watered and watched each day. But then, clouds gathered and rain began to fall, drumming on the rooftop. Janelle pulled on her yellow boots and hurried outside, umbrella in hand. The garden looked different in the rain, so fresh and sparkly. Her sprout welcomed the raindrops, drinking them in, and grew a little taller right before Janelle's eyes. She giggled, "Slurp, slurp. Delicious rain." The sprout wobbled in delight, its roots stretching happily through the soft, damp earth. Days turned into weeks. The sprout grew taller, and before long, the little plant was dressed in bright green leaves. Then, as if by magic, colorful flowers bloomed, and a small, plump vegetable peeped from beneath the leaves. Janelle was overjoyed. Her seed had become a real plant. Bees whizzed between the blossoms, collecting sweet nectar. Butterflies landed gently on the petals. Even the worms wiggled merrily in the soil. Janelle realized then that plants grew not just for people, but for all the garden's little creatures, too. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.